Yo, what's up, everybody? Pac-Man here. We got some Sword and Shield God packs for you right here. All these should contain hollows or better. Okay? No non-hollows. All these should be hollow or better in every single pack. Okay? We have 18 packs here for you. So, all I did was what Poker Rev does. He takes a pack, he cuts like a little slit in it. Well, I just ripped it, but you cut a little slit in it, you check for the code card. And if it's a good code card, then you put it in your pile as a good pack. So you just check it for the code card, that's all you're doing. That's why you don't know if there's going to be anything better than a hollow. Like that, there's a hollow right there. It's going to Chilling Rain. Where's the little niche? Oh, see, knocked a little thing in it. It's a good code card. Can we get a little something here? There's something there, right? Come on, baby. Copying. Boom. Alright, we'll take it. First actual hit, second pack in. Let's keep it going. Going into the next Chilling Rain pack. See a good code card. There's something here too. Come on. Alright, we'll take it. I don't think I pulled this card yet, honestly. Alright, now we're moving into Astral Radiance. Good code card. Alright, it is just a hollow, but it's a nice looking hollow actually. As I did say, hollow or better, right? Here, let's go into another Astral. Ooh, this one I might have got up. Never mind. I see something in it. The code card is backwards. Come on. Boom! Alright, we take it. That's a hit. That's a good hit. Alright. We got one more Astral Radiance right here. Ooh, the code card might have tricked me. It did, because it was backwards. Wow. Mother Jumper, it tricked me because the code card was backwards. I saw the black line and I thought it was a hit. Wow. Well, that teaches you right there that you don't always get what you want, right, I guess? But that's okay. Hopefully it does not keep happening, though. Okay, we're going into Fusion right here. Don't even start. Okay, I was gonna say, not a backwards code card. There is some nice alt art in here. Can we hit a banger? We got a hollow, okay. Next Fusion pack. And we still have, I think it's like 40 something more like guaranteed hits. We got 10 Brilliant Stars, 9 Lost Origins, 6 Astral, 3 Unbroken Bonds, 1 Vivid Voltage, 4 Chilling, and 11 Fusion. Okay, we got something here. We got something. Boom! Okay. I never get anything from Fusion, so I'll take that for sure. Bring them out, right? Give some hits. Finally. Alright, I'm gonna pause it real quick and sleeve these cards up, you guys, so you don't have to wait and just sit here while I sleeve them. Hold on. Alright, well, now that I got those sleeved up, not too bad. For sure, like the Mew VMAX. Well, let's keep going. Going into another fusion. Oh, we got some here. Can we get... Nope. I think we've already pulled that one, but that's okay. We'll take it. A hit is a hit. Now we're jumping into Lost Origins. Can we pull that alt art? Nope. Oh, the code card was flipped backwards. It might have tricked us. It did. Why is it doing that? Man, it got me. That's annoying. But that's okay. Well, we got 2 of these, 2 of these, and 3 of these. We'll open up 1 Brilliant Stars, and then we'll go 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1, 1, and the video is over. I've already pulled 2 of the Rainbow Charizards. I need the Altar Charizard. And do a hollow, okay. Unbroken Bond. Let's pull some bangers here. Ooh, there's something real shiny. I seen it gleaming. It's a gleaming. Something's there, right? Let's get to it. There's the revert. Boom! Okay, it's a team up. That is actually really sick. Lucario and Melmetal. Not bad. I bet to see that. I haven't really opened much of this set. Well, I've opened some of it, but not too much. Can we pull it? Oh, what is this? What? Okay. Arceus V-Star, bring him out. We're just hitting bangers left and right, right? No code card. Oh, you guys like code cards or whatever. I can help you guys out. Got codes for days out. If you want more, let me know. I don't know what to do with them all. Alright, let's finish this up here. Don't be hollow, don't be hollow. Okay, there's something there, there's something there. Anti-V. Okay, we'll take it. It hits a hit, right? We did pull actually a couple bangers here. I am very, very surprised. Yeah, let's jump over to Lost Origins. End it on Unbroken Bonds. Come on, give me that altar, give me that altar. Come on, what do we got? We got something here, we got something, we got something, we got something. Boom! Hit that rainbow. Centering is not good. Not good. Good. One more pack, here we go. Last pack, magic. It is 100% free to like, subscribe, and comment, and I would greatly appreciate it. Here we go, last pack, magic. Don't be a hollow, don't. But even if it is, that's okay. But what we got? Okay, it is a hollow, it's a hollow. Okay, I was like, you would even get a hollow. Banger. Not bad, okay. I'm gonna do a quick recap real quick. We did seem to pull a lot of V cards. Not too many, we got 4 of them right here. But we did get a couple bangers like this. That's not too bad. Okay, we did good. Thanks for watching. Peace.